Now once the chart have been inserted into your Google Sheets, in order to give more meaning to the chart, it is necessary to give a title to the chart once it has been created. Now one more time I'll show you exactly how to insert the chart, and then after inserting the chart I'll show you exactly how to give the title to the chart. So once again I have just decreased the font size so that we are able to see it. So what I will be doing, I will be selecting from craft, table till group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6 and so on. Now what I will be doing, I will be going in insert. In insert you will be able to see charts. As soon as we click on charts, the charts will automatically appear over here. We require to go for a column chart, so I'm selecting a column chart. Now you will be clearly able to see that at the top you will be able to see group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, and at the bottom you are able to see the craft, table, face painting and so on. Now if you want to give a title to the chart, you have to go in customize option over here. When we go in customize option over here, clearly you will be able to see the second. First, just reiterate the chart type. If you want to give any background color, you are able to give the chart border color. We are able to set it over here. If I go for 3D, you will be able to see the changes in it. Now I will be going under chart and access title. Now you will be able to see by default it is group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5 and group 6. So I am typing over here collection table. Now if you want to change the font size, you are able to change the font size. Auto, you are able to increase or decrease the thickness of the fonts over here. And if you want to make it bold, yes, you are able to make it bold, italics, and then center alignment. From here you are able to center align the text, and if you want to change the font color, you are able to change the font color also from here. So in this particular manner, we will be able to insert the chart title. One more time, where you have to go, you will have to go in customize. Now coming over here in customize, where we have to go in the second option, that is chart and title. You will be able to see chart title, chart subtitle, horizontal, vertical axis. I require to select the chart title. Whatever title I require to give, go for the formatting with the font, the size, bold, italics, the alignment and the text color. So in this particular manner, you will be able to insert a title to the chart that you have inserted.